Yes, my wonderful people, this is granite. We'll be doing our ndole. Everything is ready. It's only this granite that I have to grind. My wonderful people, look at the grind. I don't put pepper, onion, grind everything grindable. Okay, I go put how I grind my granite, onion, pepper to make the ndole. Was very sweet. This is ndole that ndole I will be cooking. Sorry for the noise, it's a mixer. It will make no noise. This is ndole. Now the ndole do I go the cook. Then now this is our meat. Everything is already ready. Just that granite now. We just turn on, we put crayfish, we grind everything go smoothly. Thank you. Yes, my wonderful people. So guys, this is our granite that is ready to go to the fire. Look at this is our granite well grind. Go the cooker, put the fire on. Once this granite done, yes, fire. So we go leave a minute granite done well. Yes, my wonderful people, this granite na see like this. We don already parboil the granite. Then we go add our pepper, bell pepper. We go add this our paprika. We go put paprika inside. We adding the paprika, the paprikas, the red and the green. Then we go give it a grinding mixture. Nah. We go cover ram. Ndole don't fall be that. Guys, just how I grind this granite. I don't parboil them. Then I say I grind them. So that I grind them very smooth. Put paprika, the onion, grind them. Yes. So we go to grind our granite. Continue. This is our ginger and garlic. We put them inside ginger and garlic. We put them inside our granite. Then we will put paprika. Paprika. We give the flavor of the flavoring. This one we will put for bean. Let's grind it together, guys. Let's make this into the fast so that we go eat. Yes, my wonderful people, this granite now they grind. Now since granite they like fresh granite, we go parboil them. Then you can do them for ndole. This is preparing ingredients for ndole. Have a nice and wonderful day. Enjoy my cooking ndole. I dey prepare some granite, spices, everything. What I go? This is our granite. Granite, ginger, everything inside. Paprika. Oh, it inside you. Book. Look at the ndole now. This is a granite. Turning the granite. This is the meat we enter inside. I beg, make I taste small meat too. That's why I just sit down like this and then we'll do salt. Stir the groundnuts. You go leave and make it done well. Come on. This is our crayfish. We will go put them. I will just blend them one time. For the fresh blending with water. So that when our case, we just put some for the ndole, need crayfish. Now. So they sell them until the chopper. Guys, look at our crayfish. I will pour water. It's like, oh, go. Let's just see. We just taste them. One way go. Grind now. We don't grind our crayfish. We go inside our ndole. Guys, see as the groundnut the jump. See the jump. I don't want to open. I mean, no can splash me for my face. Look at. So the groundnut the jump. They cook. I have to taste it now. If you don't done, I will put the fire off. So we say the splash from my face. So, hey, wahala. So the groundnut. This is the groundnut. How to cook the groundnut? You first of all steam the groundnut.